All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. Please do me a favor and like this video. It's not going to cost you anything. Subscribe to the channel and keep your comment coming. Keep your comment coming. Let me take down the volume. Yes, because the video that we published last time, 2 days ago, the volume seemed to be more louder than this. So I don't want it to repeat again. Please let me repeat myself. I want you to like the video. I am begging you. We actually need your help. Okay? You don't just watch and go. You don't just watch and ignore giving the video a support by clicking on like button and share it to many platforms of your choice. What we do here is for educational purpose, not for any other thing. Even though some people misunderstand it, some say that we are here to do saga. Oh, they have paid you. They bought you over. Can't report you are on a payroll of USB government. You have right to say what you want to say, but my job is to make sure that our people understand, just to create awareness, to set the record straight. Nobody's paying me. Let it be on record. But I'm not here. I don't even owe you any explanation. And especially if you're one of those who said that you are neutral, you are from, you fall back. Basically fall back, and you fell back. You couldn't even maintain that, or which they told you to remain, to fall back. And you created another group called CRC. That one was too hot for you. You jump out, and now you are with you could now. See, I'm not here to actually talk about it. The man before you here, this man we are seeing here, is called Azubuike. Many of you know him. Azubuike CRC Accountability Group. He is the one behind the hijacking of account from day one. He started it. This is not to attack him. I'm just reporting to you what he did. If he's not proud of it, he wouldn't have done that. So he should just embrace it with full chest. He's the one that Ogen Kreto to no, don't allow Ngosora person to take the hijack the account. The account belong to Brig. Brig is the way to go. Brig is the only choice. This man you are seeing, many of you don't know him. He hates to appear in the public, but he always do something that public that will make public to go gaga. Let me tell you the little story about this man called Azubuike. Like I said, I'm not here to promote Sona Barawa and Ogenkere and the rest of them, but we have to say it the way it is. This video is not to favor anybody, but for Biafran, all of us, to have knowledge of what has happened and what may even happen again. Because the tendency of having someone like Azubuike in future is still there. Igbo people have this gift of producing some crazy people. And Azubuike appear to be one. Even though he's living in Yankee, but whenever he wants to do something, you begin to wonder if this guy have crossed Belicity, let alone Lagos, Melbourne abroad. Now, hear this. After the redeclaration of Biafra, Ogenkere and their group jumped out of social media, begin to propagate lies, begin to preach falsehood. All right? Simply because they want to make sure that they hijack everything just to frustrate USB declared, to make USB ungovernable. After all, no, why Bagada? Like Eggman told you, Mazakwa said that it's not Bagada. No word of why. Today, Eggman is answerable to why not as CRC, pretending that the person that the leading is Imam Madab. That is not why we are here. Now, during the process of dragging everything, during the time of their propaganda and hijacking everything, trying to frustrate the whole Biafrans because of their personal interest, this Azubuike refused to do what Biafrans asked. Remember, Ogekere was called to give account, not account about when you say you're giving account, it's not as if people say, Ogekere, come and tell us how much you have with Biafran have donated and how you spend it. No. when they asked him to send money for what they need to pay in Finland during the convention, before the convention, as the day was fast approaching, Uche called him and said, please, we need to pay social things to sort out something like this before the day of the convention. His Ogekere said, there's no money in the account. I have said this many times here. Now, the second person that kind of second eyes to the account, who have access to check the balance, but is not able to withdraw money, log into the account, because Ogekere said there's no money in the account. That he can't send money to Uche. There's no money in the account. That is the story. Remember, everything I'm telling you is in public. It's public domain. This is not, I'm not an insider. I'm only reporting to you or reminding you what you already know for the sake of this guy on the screen. Now, Ogekere refused to send any money with this lie that there's no money in the account. When the second person log into the website, find out there's $68,000 in the account. He took the screenshot, he or she, I don't know if it's a man or woman, snap it and posted it to the cabinet meetings forum, their group. And everybody have an idea of the the balance in the account and everything. Then I placed a court request for him to come and explain. That is when you hear giving account. That is that word, giving account. It's just come and tell us. He said there's no money. We found out that this is some money. This money is the account. That money is for what? It's not our money. Tell us. Let us know how this money is not our money. If it is not our money, whose money is that? And why is it in the account that we are using? You understand? Ogekere refused to answer all the requests, all the calls until this day. He have not explained anything about it. Then cabinet member called this Uche. This Azubuike. Come, tell us. You have seen that Ogekere refused to give account. He refused to tell us, anything about the money that we find in the account. Now, this is cabinet member talking, which is cabinet members represent Biafrans, right? Just like when you say senators, they represent the senatorial district, senatorial zones. They are your representative in the federal. That is cabinet. In case if you don't know, that's what cabinet stands for. Now the cabinet member said, okay, let us remove the account that Ogekere is charged and put the one that we will have access to. As this Azubuike said that he's not going to do that unless Ogekere comes in the meeting. He's aware that Ogekere refused to answer all the call, all the invitation. He knows. He's aware of the number of times the cabinet called Ogekere to come and explain to us. This man is aware of everything. He refused to say anything. He refused to come, beat Ogekere. Then this man, the cabinet said, okay, since you can see, you yourself can see, you are part of us. You can see that Ogekere refused to answer us. Now, remove the account of Ogekere from the website. Put this account so that we can use it to raise more money and sort ourselves out. This thing happened before declaration. So it's not as if that, listen. The excuses they're giving to you because why must CS dissolve the cabinet, right? At this point, cabinet has not been dissolved. Cabinet has not been dissolved, though. Biafra has not been redeclared. This is process to redeclare Biafra. This Azubuike said no, that he's not going to change the account, he's not ready to modify the account unless Ogekere is in the cabinet. He's aware because in contact with Ogekere, he's aware that there's no Ogekere will come there. He frustrated USB, or not even USB, Biafra, even the Brigade. He frustrated them to the extent that they were handicapped before declaration of Biafra. The question you should ask Isaiah is, why were you angry? What was the problem? Because you seem to have issue with the dissolving of cabinet, and you seem to have issue with declaration of Biafra, which he refused to accept that he has issue with it. But if you don't have issue with all this thing, because you said that the problem is why must you stop fundraising for 1 week? That is the first thing they told you. The first excuse is that that we don't need to stop fundraising. By the time of this issue that I'm telling you now, none of this thing has happened. Biafran has not been redeclared. Cabinet member has not been dissolved. The 1 week suspension of fundraising because people travel to Finland and they are yet to go back to their various countries. Those things has not happened. The question is you ask yourself, if you are sincere, is what could be the problem of Ogekere at that point when he decided to act abnormal? And what was the problem of Azubuike then? Why did he refuse to obey cabinet member? Not CS here, not CS. CS is not the one that dishing out order then. This is agreement of the cabinet. They cast vote. And the majority requested that account must be changed. Even though some of them that supported the account to be changed, that later joined Ogekere, they voted, as of that time, that account must need to be changed before Ogekere later baptized all of them and confirmed them to become Briggy, Fallback, as they have it today. Listen, as they move forward, after the declaration and everything, CS, USB and the CS, Biafrans started using mandate accounts, I believe, right? Now, they turn it and say, oh, the account holder is a Fulani man. Why don't you use the website? Ngozi, ask Ngozi, why is she not using the website? Knowing fully well that the website belongs to this Azar Yogo and Azubuike. Azubuike is the account, he is the engineer, that's someone that is in charge of the account and everything, the website, right? Now, why I'm saying all this is because I stumbled on a video of Sona Parawa, which you are about to hear now, and I want you to pay close attention to hear something for yourself. Hear what Sona Parawa said here.
This life today, guy man don't guy man. Guy man, guy you. Yes.
That the guy man don't guy man. This day, guy man don't guy man. And I want you to remember the story that I just told you now. How the guy man started guy man. That even Sona Parawa was a boss today. And Azubuike guide Biafrans, guy man the Biafrans, Magat Biafrans, and today you are crying. Azubuike, listen.
This life today, guy man don't guy man. Guy man, guy you. Yes. Azubuike, the website manager of EMA Accountability Group. This is their own website.
Now, I am coming to that. Is Azubuike the website of EMA, that's EMA Madabos Accountability Group, that's CRC. Because this Azubuike later abandoned Azaya Yog and followed to CRC decamped from Fallback. He decamped from Fallback Republic and joined them to create CRC group. In the CRC group, this Azubuike, the chief manipulator, because where this guy fucked up full time is when he refused to obey the cabinet members, his integrity, everything was, he just destroyed everything for that singular act. I don't know him in person. I don't even dream to know him. Do you understand? I don't dream to know him because it is very clear that a bad man, an evil person is an evil person. No matter how I want to put it, no matter how I want to paint it, an evil person is an evil person. Why do I call him an evil person? He told you that Azaya Yogo is the best, and he followed Azaya Yogo to create Fallback Republic. And he couldn't even maintain the Fallback Republic. He later decamped and created another one called CRC with Imam Madabo and ran away with the same account. If you follow what happened then, they argued many times with Ogekere. Who should get the account? Who should not control the account? At the end of the day, they reached an agreement to put Azaya Yogo's account and Fallback Republic account, so Azaya Yogo's account and CRC account through I don't know who and Ruben Nadi and the rest of them. They created the account just to put two accounts. If you're supporting Ogekere, use this one. If you're supporting CRC, put this one. Ogekere agreed. And after after much deliberation, he thought about it. He just analyzed it after some time, and decided to go against the agreement that he had with CRC. I'm talking about Ogekere, who actually reach an agreement with CRC, which is a CRC Madaba and their group, and Mazakwa. They agreed that this website should hold two accounts. Azayogo accepted, and after much deliberation, I believe through Sona Akbarawa and their group, they told him no. He go out and create another website. Remember, creating another website that they have criticized USB government of doing. At early stage, they say that Ngozi have created her own website, that Ngozi have created her own account, that Ngozi is no longer following PM. She now have her own group. She has now formed her own group. They use that for some time to deceive Biafrans. They have all committed the same thing they criticized USB government at the initial time. And who made it possible for those creation of account and all that? Azubuike, who refused to do what he's supposed to do and what the account is meant for. Now, Azubuike decided now to, because of Azayogo threatening them that he's gonna sue them and go court and all that. Azubuike removed in the website. I have made a video about this guy in the past. You follow me, if you can remember, I have talked about Azubuike in the past. Now, so now is now showing you that if you go to that website, that has this Azubuike, who is account owner, account maintenance manager, or account engineer, the website engineer, not account, sorry, the website manager or website controller, whatever you may call it, have removed his own picture from the background in that website. Why? Because he's, according to Sona Prawa, he's afraid of Azayogo lawsuit. Let's go back to Sona Prawa and hear what he has to say about this.
This life today, guy man don't guy man. Guy man, guy you. Yes. Azubuike, the website manager of EMA Accountability Group, this is their own website, which they have turned to nonsense. I want all of you to check this website. You will not see Azubuike on this website again. He has removed himself. Yes. He don't remove himself. You can see Emma, see Joy Robi, see the rest of the people, see Ajare, see PM Face, see Choma, see Princess, see Bryce and Okoma, see Joy, see Obodo, see Malakai, see Nenna, see Ibe, see Chinedu, see John, see Tina, see Chuk, see Innocent, see Boniface, see Mwaba, see Lolo, see Uchenna. Have you seen all of them? Continue looking. Oh. Show me whether you will see Azubuike. You cannot see Azubuike. But on this very website, Azubuike writes in bold that Sonny and Okenkere are criminals. But look at the criminality that Azubuike is doing to his group already. He has removed himself from the website and then allowed the rest of them to be there. So if you're looking for Azubuike, you will not see his information, you will not see his face on the website. But he's pushing these other ones to the public so that when it is time for lawsuit, we will see these ones and we'll catch them. You cannot see Azubuike information on this website again. You cannot see his face. His face was there before. You cannot see anything that has to connect with Azubuike so that you will not trail and know that he's the one behind everything. This is how criminal Azubuike has treated his gangs. His gangsters, they are all there. I want all of them to go and ask Azubuike, Azubuike, why are all our faces inside the website, but your own face just disappeared and your name disappeared? Why did you remove your face? Why did you remove your own name? Why did you disappear on the website? What are you hiding that the rest of them don't know? Make una go ask some more, because Azubuike will use una play the game where una been one use take play the entire Biafran people. Una block this website, carry and put for una hand. Block account, open new account, then go and bring the Biafran government account, the bank statement, and be reading it on the social media so that you can destroy BRGI and destroy Biafra restoration. But you have all failed. But now the Azubuike that was doing everything for you on the website, that is behind everything, blocking the bank account, blocking this, blocking website, blocking this, and writing letter to block all our payment portal. You people use him to do it. Now we cannot find his face on the website. But we know where to get him. We know his name. We know how the lawsuit will get to him because lawsuit is prepared and waiting for Azubuike. So tell Azubuike he cannot run. No.
Okay. Now, I want you to understand one thing. Sonny is here ranting that Azubuike is a criminal, is this, is that. Truly, Sonny need to understand that when Azubuike called you a criminal, both you, Sonny Parawa, Oginkere, and Azubuike himself, and all these evil supporters are all criminals. You may be like, Kairo, why do you call them criminal? Judging by what I told you now, what is a better word if not criminal? If it, like, what is a better word if not criminality? Tell me. What's the better word? That PM who lead the movement, Biafra government in exile, there's a template to follow. COS is there. You jumped, you bypass all this order, all this structure, and begin to undermine, what PM have already put there. You begin to jump from place to place just to create your own narrative, simply because you want to achieve something that I don't know, because you want to be relevant at all costs. It doesn't matter. From Azubuike, Asayogo, Imam Madabo, Mazakwa, Ogenkere, have I called him? And even Yusonak Barawa, and all of you, what you did is out of criminality. In case if you don't know, that's why I wonder how you guys have that where you are getting your zeal to come out and say you are suing people. How can a criminal sue a criminal? I mean, you should be doing desperate the call, because both of you are operating in the same profession. I don't understand what you guys want to achieve, but please let me know what you think about it. Do you understand what the video is all about? I hope this video will come to you. You receive it in a good faith. Let me know what you think about it, and please share it and like it. Thumbs up is very, very important. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. I can't wait for you to share it to many platforms of your choice. And let me know your feedback about what you said, what the video is all about. Is very, very, very important to me. Thank you.